Combustion is a scientific term for burning. The fire triangle is used to explain how there are three requirements for combustion to take place. These three requirements are oxygen, fuel, and heat. If any one of these three are missing, combustion will not take place. No oxygen, no combustion. No fuel, no combustion. There is no spark or heat to start a reaction, no combustion. The general word equation for combustion is a fuel reacting with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. In this example, wood is the fuel. Air contains the oxygen, so in any exam question, when it says X reacts with air or X burns in air, what it really means is that substance is actually reacting with oxygen. The match provides the heat for the reaction to start. Without that initial heat input from the match, the fuel and the oxygen will not react. When the oxygen and the fuel react, a flame is given out, transferring heat energy and light energy, which dissipate into the surroundings. What you see is combustion, also known as burning. And then carbon dioxide and water are emitted, which rise up into the surrounding atmosphere. Press pause to answer the questions, and the answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video.